Days after SEBI gave its nod to Future Retail-Reliance Group deal, Amazon has moved the Delhi High Court seeking an urgent hearing to stall the deal, which was halted earlier by an emergency arbitrator in Singapore. Amazon has sought civil prison detention for Kishore Bayani, Ashni Bayani and other directors of Future Retail and Future Coupons while seeking a list of their movable and immovable assets. The Delhi High Court will hear Amazon's petition on the 28th of January, which wants to stay Future Retail-Reliance Group deal as per Section 17 of the Arbitration Act, claiming that the Singapore-based Emergency Arbitrator's award was enforceable as per Code of Civil Procedure under Indian law. Amazon has claimed deliberate and willful breach of the arbitral order by Future Retail as it went to Indian regulators for approval of the deal despite a stay order from the arbitrator. This urgent petition has been filed despite Amazon's appeal against a single judge bench order pending before a division bench of the Delhi High Court, as regulators have already approved the deal and nothing except an Indian court order can halt the process now. On 25th October 2020, an emergency arbitrator of the Singapore International Arbitration Centre had halted Future Retail's deal with Reliance Group. Future Retail had questioned its applicability in India when it moved a single judge bench of the Delhi High Court. After the court refused to stay the deal, Future Retail wrote to the National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange seeking their approval for the deal. On December 21, 2020, a single judge bench of Justice Mukta Gupta in Delhi High Court left it to SEBI and CCI to decide on objections to the deal, even as it held Future Retail's petition as well as its August 29 board resolution for the deal with Reliance as valid. While the court had refused to restrain Amazon from writing to SEBI and CCI in view of potential of irreparable damage to business, it also held that Future Retail was able to make out a prima facie case of tortious interference by Amazon, which was later contested by Amazon before a division bench of the High Court. The single judge bench had also held that Amazon's attempt to control Future Retail without government nod violated FEMA and FDI rules. After that, Amazon wrote to regulators citing the December 21 single judge order, which had ruled that the emergency arbitrator order cannot be ignored in context of the deal. Also, they had cited their pending case before the Delhi High Court's division bench against Future Retail Reliance Group deal, on which a reply was sought on the 13th of January from Future Retail and Future Coupons. Nevertheless, the regulators have already given their nod to the deal, and it remains to be seen whether, as part of the urgent hearing, the Delhi High Court is going to restrain the deal or it's going to allow the deal as it has been allowed earlier by the regulators.